So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can check wherever an unknown email have been registered to whatever sites in just one click. Now for example, if you have a mail, you want to check in wherever that particular mail is registered, like whatever the third party sites, you can easily do it. Just simply open any of the browser you have, and under here you need to search for this particular website, that is epios.com. You can check for the spelling if I'm wrong. Now here you need to enter that particular Gmail address, confirm it that you are not doing anything illegal, then search for the same. Now it will ask you to do some verification. For you just simply need to verify that you're not a bot. Now once you do it, you'll notice it has started to digging up the mail, and here's are the results. Now from here you can, when you scroll down, you'll find all the details about the same, wherever these email have been used, and multiple other things about that particular mail as well. Here you can see multiple things right there wherever this email have been registered, and you can find out all other details right here only. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.